Okay, traders, this is Masood here from London. Here is the market outlook and analysis for week starting from 28th of June 2021. This is the market analysis that I do on every weekend for the next week is getting quite popular because the feedback I get from the traders is quite positive because this makes it so easy, the trading so easy when the important levels are marked, which is the crux of the backbone of the forex trading, and for new traders this is the most difficult part. So what I do is mark the important levels, important zones, important patterns, and then you only have to do is just to go on lower time frames, whichever one time frame low or two time frames low, and take an entry from there, looking at the price action, waiting, just monitor the pairs, and when you see the price action, wick rejections, and bullish or bearish momentum, fat candles, then you can take the trades, and that's about it. So my request is that if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it to get these easy to understand videos, and press the bell icon, because some of the videos, for example this video market analysis, are time sensitive, and press the like button as well, just for my encouragement. Let's start today's video. First pair is the AUD-CHF daily time frame. Daily time frame is the most important time frame, I mean, for any trader. If you start your charts marking from daily time frame, you can get the directional bias, and then you can go down on your favorite time frame and take an entry. So as you can see that this pair is going since long time, going into this flag pattern or this channel. Parallel trend lines are going on, and there were multiple trading opportunities, up, down, down inside this channel, So as soon as the market reaches to this upper trend line, and you see the wick rejections and bearish candle price action, you can bring it here, and stop loss will be on this side, TP will be around here. And if the market reaches on this trend line, the bottom trend line, you can see the price action and take it up there. Stop loss will be on this side, and TP will be around here. So if these either of these trend lines are not broken unless you can trade it inside this channel. And now at the moment it has given this the market is closed on this last time, this daily candle, huge pin bar candle, huge wick with a small body. So if you see a bearish candle, you can take a trade from from there to here. Your risk will be very small. Stop loss, if you take the trades near these trend lines, your risk will be very small. Stop loss will be on these sides, and TP will be quite big, towards the other side. So AUD-CHF daily time frame. Next pair is USDCAD daily time frame. As you can see that I sent this pair before as well in my previous week's analysis. This green line is the weekly strong zone, which was broken upwards at this point, and then it went down, and I predicted this trade in my previous weeks, that it can go up, and it exactly did the same, and people took a lot of benefit from this trade. Now at the moment this black line is the daily strong level, which was broken up, and then it looks like it is retesting it. So if you see the price action here, wick rejections and a strong bullish candle, then this can go up at least towards this level, and that can be your TP, and your stop loss will be on this side. Also it has made a demand zone as well from here. So as you can see that this has it is possible that it will come down and retest this demand zone, and then if it breaks this daily level, then it can retest this demand zone, and then after that it will go up. So I mean, or it can go up at least, I should say. I mean, you cannot say anything for sure in forex market, but you have to see the price action, and enough confluences are there, then what you can do is you have to take the trade no matter what is the result. So this is on important levels at the moment. I have marked these levels. USDCAD. Next pair is USDJPY daily time frame. It's on a very strong resistance level. As you can see, it couldn't break it in the past and went down, and now it is making higher and higher lows, and making with a trend. It went up and it is at this level again. Now there is a daily trend line as well. What you can do is go to lower time frames, either 4 hour or 1 hour, whichever is your favorite, and then monitor that. And if it doesn't break this level up, if it breaks it up and you after the price action, good momentum bullish candle, then it can carry on upwards. Otherwise, if it breaks down, then it means that it will not be able to break this strong resistance level, and if it breaks down this trend line as well, then there are chances that it will come down to these levels. Next pair is Euro CHF daily time frame. As you can see that it is also going in a flag pattern in this range, parallel trend line since long time, and and there are multiple opportunities, up down, up down, and I sent this pair before as well, I think, when it was somewhere here, and I also took the trade from here and all the way up to there. And at this moment it is rejecting this upper trend line again, and if you see the price action, wick rejection, bearish candle, big momentum candle, then there can be an opportunity for a sell trade here. Stop loss on this side above these highs and TP around here. Next pair is NZDUSD daily time frame. As you can see that it broke this strong support level down, and market was pushed by the banks or institutions very strongly from here, from this level, and now it looks like that it's going back to retest it. And also this is a supply zone as well, because the market was pushed very strongly from this point downwards. So if you go down on 4-hour time frame as well, you can see that at the moment it's pulling back. Daily trend is down, and when it pulls back, it is making on a 4-hour, it is making this trend line, respecting this trend line upwards. So the chances are that it will retest this level and keep going down. So what you can do is monitor this this pair on lower time frames, and if it rejects this level again and breaks this 4-hour trend line, then there are chances that it will come down to these levels again. So your TP will your stop loss will be somewhere around this side, and TP will be around on this area. Now next pair is traders NZDCHF daily time frame. As you can see that it is also going down, making higher high and higher lower lows and lower highs, and respecting this daily trend line and going down there. And at the moment it's pulling up, and it looks like that it is retesting this trend line again. You can go on 4-hour or 1-hour time frame, and these both trend lines, 4-hour and daily time frame, it is at the moment it has broken it, but this is not enough evidence. If you get further evidence, a big a bearish candle, then it can be a signal to take a sell trade. Stop loss somewhere here, and TPs, TP1, TP2 and TP3 somewhere around these areas. Next pair is gold traders. As I have sent this pair in last week's analysis as well, I have marked these important daily levels, support and resistance levels on this pair. So what you can do is stop the video, and as you see on your right, there are exact numbers as well that you can see that, and you can mark these this pair on your charts as well. and then go down on your favorite time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour, whatever, and in between these levels you can trade this pair. Whenever it reaches near to these levels, you can take up, after the price action, you can take sell or buy trades inside these zones. I took this trade last week as well, from here, somewhere here, and I got a lot of pips, because it rejected this level, big bearish candle, and as you can see that it came down here, lots and lots of pip as you can see from here. So yeah, I mean, it didn't go all the way here yet, but still I got a lot of pips. So these levels will still be there, and you can keep on lower time frames, you can keep on trading between these levels. And the last pair is BTCUSD daily time frame. Traders, I sent this pair before as well last week. These are the two important support and resistance zones that this pair was moving inside. And then previous week it broke this support level with this big bearish candle, and then it went back to retest that, and then pushed down again. Now this big bearish candle, if you go on lower time frames for your entry, you could have taken lots and lots of pips on this pair, on this big daily candle. Now this is the that's another important point that you can understand here, why it is important to mark the chart on higher time frames and also to see the directional bias, because on higher time frames the levels, support and resistance levels, are stronger and easy to monitor, easy to see. And also the trend that is on higher time frame, that is the strong trend, and to take the entry on, why you have to go down on one time frame down or two time frame down to take the entry, because you have to wait, whichever time frame you are going to take your entry, you have to wait for that time frame's candle to close. Then you can decide whether it's gonna be a big momentum candle or it will leave a big rejection, big wick, and close like with this small body. So you have to wait, you cannot decide before the candle is closed whether it's 5 minute you are trading or 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours daily. So for example, I can explain a very good point here. For example, if you stay on your daily time frame, and then you have to wait for this big bearish candle to close, and then you can decide to take the trade. And if you take the trade here when this candle was closed on this point, that is very late. So if you go on lower time frame, for example 1 hour time frame, then you can see that this is that big daily candle, that's that candle, but it is divided into many 1 hourly candles, and that makes you take a very early entry. For example, that was a false breakdown, it couldn't break up, as you can see on daily time frame, and then this after this bearish candle you could have entered into this trade and taken lots and lots and lots of pips, thousands of pips, as you can see all the way. You see, these are the pips. So yeah, I mean, that's BTC USD traders. That I wanted to explain that last time when I sent this trade, it retested it and it played out well. It can again retest this level and go down again. So I mean, you can monitor that as well. So that's it, traders. These are the pairs for next week, starting from 28th of June 2021. I hope you will like them and try to take some good trades out of these pairs. If you like the video, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and press the like button if you like the videos for YouTube algorithms. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.